So currently, of course, we get our main clients is through either BAC, this organization you buy leads from, or also from like referrals. And then of course we're trying in the funnel. That's why I came onto this course. So that's what we're trying to do. I've just got to module 4 and haven't got to the 5th, but we had previously created some funnels, and now I think I spoke to Ife on the legal funnel team, shared my funnel with her, so she's meant to come back to me and have her feedback. That's where we're at now. So it's just about how to get consistent clients every single month. Some months you get a lot of clients, other months is very quiet, so just having that consistent flow of clients, 10 to 15 clients a month, we're okay. In that sense. Yeah,
you need something controllable, predictable, and consistent. You do immigration?
Yes, I do.
From where?
London. Yeah.
Okay.
The UK.
So if it was me, I was put myself in your shoes, what would I be doing as an immigration lawyer in the UK? You guys don't have Google LSA, so that takes that out. Google Ads will be first thing I would set up. Have you set up Google Ads yet?
We have, yes. We set it up. I think we are very new to this, so we did set it up. And again, just trying to create our systems to be able to just cater for that. But we don't really know how to do that.
How much budget did you dedicate to Google Ads?
I think the first time we only just put 400 because we didn't know how to do it. I did it with my VA. That's barely nothing. And then we did it wrong as well. And then we got somebody from Google just contacting us to try and help us do it. Really?
No. Yeah. You don't need that.
Okay.
So I'm glad you shared this with me. So everybody's budget should not be anything less than 2,000 or 3,000. Either it is 2,000 or 3,000, or you shouldn't do it at all. 400, 500,000 is like essentially just wasting money. You're like, and you're also depends on how much the management fee is. If you're already paying management, it's not enough of a budget goes towards the actual marketing, then it doesn't make sense. So first thing is, how much is one average client for you?
About 2,000, probably between 1,800, 2,000, 2,500. That's the individual cases. I guess personal and business cases is more than that. You could get anything from 5K.
Okay.
Yeah.
Can we say 3,500? Because sometimes you'll get some personal, you get some entrepreneurs. Okay.
Yeah.
Can you commit to paying one client's worth of ads?
We don't mind as long as we're getting the clients. The more you get, you'll be able to put it in. But I think it wasn't working. Well, because we didn't know. It's lack of knowledge, not having the expert, knowing how to do it. So I didn't want to put money into something that I didn't see it working in that sense. So as long as it's working, then the clients, of course, the ROI will just be able to, the more you earn, the more you put in that sense. Yeah.
So the new budget will be 3,000 for you.
Okay.
Who's the VA or person who's helping with the Google Ads?
It's actually online with us, Zia, with me today. So
who is it?
Zia.
Who's that?
She's on the group at the moment. She's a VA, my VA from the Philippines.
Does she have Google Ads experience?
No, she doesn't.
Okay. No. Yeah. Google Ads is a specialty. So you need to have this Google Ads expert. Bare minimum, you need to be a Google Ads expert who has active clients right now.
Okay.
And ideally, if they're in legal space, at this point, I would say that should be required. Legal space, and even one level higher, ideally immigration experience, and even one level higher, active clients right now in immigration.
Would you say we should hire that on Upworks as well?
If money is super tight, then yes, you could try to find somebody on Upwork or Google Ads who possibly may have done immigration law for Google Ads. So the Upwork job post would be Google Ads expert with immigration law experience to create and manage Google Ads campaign.
But if not, then what's the best option?
I have a feeling you will find somebody who has immigration experience. Because there's literally tens of thousands of these Google Ads experts. At the very least, I want them to have legal experience. There's some intricacies about different things. And also it might be a UK specific kind of things, intricacies that you may need to know. So I would first put up a job post, and you could clarify that I want to be somebody from the UK. See who's out there. You may have to pay a little bit more, but I think it's worth it for somebody who knows the UK laws or UK words, keywords, versus somebody from there's different accents, different things that you need to be mindful of. But that job post, and then if you really, if this again, I'm thinking about myself, put up one Upwork job post for the UK, I would open up one for the whole world and see what's out there. So,
okay, thank you.
Sure. With a $3,000 budget, and then you want an 80-20, the practice types that you're going to be targeting for. Obviously, you have immigration lawyer, so that's obviously that's going to be the one that's going to be searched the most and the one you're going to get the most calls for. That's in there. But also, you give them 2 other niches in immigration. So what are those 2 other niches?
That will be entrepreneurs or like sponsorship license for business, along with spouses, family based.
Okay.
So spouses, overstayers, visas.
Perfect. So the way to do it is like category number 1, let's just say it's just called immigration lawyer, which includes immigration lawyer, immigration attorney, whatever combinations you come up with.
Okay.
Category number 2 is entrepreneurship visas, which includes specific visa name.
So we have sponsorship license. We have innovator visas.
Exactly.
Startup visas. Yeah.
So those you're doing a brain dump of all the different names, quirks, questions, like questions that people have. You could also target questions, things, whatever you could think about.
Mm-hmm.
The questions are usually who, when, where, why kind of questions, basically.
Okay.
And then category number 3 is also want to test out spouses.
Yeah. So we have the fiancés, married partners, extension of visas, those already in the country, getting them indefinite leave to remain, which is equivalent to green card in America.
Perfect.
And then citizenship, becoming British.
Perfect. Whatever, I'm just like throwing things in there. Great. So finding the right person on Upwork with you providing all the keywords that you want to target for, and 30 days, your goal, again, spending $3K, your goal is just break even. That means 1 client. Hopefully you'll get more than 1 client from this. I already know you're gonna get at least 3 to 5. If you break even, great. For me, I would try to push the budget to, if I see that it's profitable, push the budget to 5K. And from that, all of a sudden now you're like getting 30 clients a month just by making sure you have the right expectation. I just want to break even, and then putting that back into it. And all of a sudden now you're just getting flooded with calls.
Thank you.
Sure. And make a goal for yourself. Let me just finish this off for you. So make a goal.
Sure.
And if I get, how many is that? 35, 30 good times in my first 30 days, what's your reward for doing this, accomplishing this goal? What would you like to experience or buy or whatever? Vacation.
Vacation, go on holiday.
Where would you want to go on vacation?
Maldives, maybe.
With who?
My husband.
Okay. When?
I haven't thought that far back. Well, as soon as we hit the target, we'll book the holiday. Okay, yeah. Actually, March. That's our anniversary. I could say March. It's our wedding anniversary, so maybe.
Perfect. What day is your anniversary?
10th of March.
Okay.
I mean 9th, sorry, what am I thinking?
But what I'm doing is this is your why.
Yeah.
Now you have a big reason to make this happen, and I promise you'll do whatever it takes to make it happen. You'll go find the best VA, give them better keywords, add some negative keywords, tried, though that niche didn't work. Okay, let's cut that out. Let's do this niche, because now you have a good reason. So write this out for yourself as well. Don't miss this part.
Yeah.
And then the other part you were mentioning. Oh, TikTok.
Yeah.
So I would say, give yourself 2 weeks to set this up. Google Ads. Just be Google Ads focused. Again, find the best VA who ideally has immigration experience. Give them the most comprehensive list of keywords. Just focus on that. Nothing else. That's it. Don't worry about anything else. After you get that up, now make sure that you're picking up on the phone calls, closing it, things like that. Give yourself the best chance of getting towards this goal. Yeah. Then once you're like sailing, then I would, okay, how do I get into the TikTok worlds, basically? So totally, yes, for immigration, totally for TikTok. There's a lot of, just immigration is just a hot topic these days. Yeah, it will work. But I want you to kind of like, I don't want to, spread you too thin, or I want you to focus on this. Once you get that up, then talk about TikTok immigration. I have resources or things I can share with you about how to.
Okay. All right. Thank you, Sam.
No problem. Update us as soon as you get 10 clients.
Sure, I will. Definitely. I'm excited.
Go get it. I know you can do it.
I can. Thank you.
No problem.
Lawyer Nation, I hope you enjoyed that video. If you did, take a moment right now to subscribe right below and turn on the bell notification to get notified every time I post a video, because right now I'm posting 5 videos a week, providing lots of value to lawyers. So click right here to subscribe, and to watch the next most relevant video, click right here. Go do it. Go watch it.